To address illiteracy in the far-flung areas of the Philippines, such as Tiboli, the United Indigenous Peoples Heritage of the Philippines, led by Pastor Apollo C. Quiboloy, who is now Datu Pamulingan, launched the Upland Weed Tagging Project Apollo for IPs. Project Apollo for IPs are accelerating programs to optimize literacy and language opportunities for indigenous peoples, started in Davao City and is now branching out to many areas in Mindanao and the whole country. Teachers trainer Ms. Adelma Catemprate, who traveled all the way from Naga City just to support the cause and mission of Datu Pamulingan in reaching out to the IPs all over Mindanao, was overjoyed when she saw the excitement and eagerness of the indigenous kids to learn more.
Actually, we distribute mga ating mga materials like yung mga books po, no, na which is makakatulong, no, especially dun mga basic natin, matugunan yung 2 years gap na talagang nung pandemic, nagkaroon po ng problema in terms of education, especially doon sa reading. So yung ginawa natin ngayon is malaking bagay, no, to bridge the gap po. Through this program, we will build a strong foundation. So mabigyan natin sila ng sapat at tamang edukasyon na makakatulong para ma-achieve nila yung kanilang mga pangarap. Pastor, thank you very much for giving us the opportunity and for giving us the chance na maging part po ng iyong program to eradicate illiteracy, na sugpuin po yung kamangmangan dito sa ating bansa, especially yung pagmamahal po sa kabataan na mabigyan ng magandang kinabukasan.
Tiboli teacher Schwart Balan, who volunteers in the Unifil's Upland Weed Tagging Project Apollo for IPs, explained that their schools lack equipment, books, and libraries that are supposed to help their pupils learn more, especially in reading.
Malaking tulong po yung Apollo Reading Project sa mga Tiboli, lalo na sa pagbabasa ng Ingles at saka Pilipino. Kasi lalo sa mga slow reader, pwede silang maging fast reader kasi mayroon ng aklat. Sa ngayon po sa aming paralan, wala pa po kaming library. So malaking tulong po na mayroong, yun nga, yung Apollo Reading Project. Bilang isang guro na nagtuturo sa mga Tiboli na mga bata, mahalaga talaga yung aklat. Kasi sa pamamagitan ng pagbabasa nila ay parang ma-open yung kanilang isipan, maimulat. Hindi lang sa ano nila, nakikita nila, kung ma-widen pa yung imagination nila.
Lahi-lahi matang tribe, pero isa ro ta, Pilipino ta.
Pastor, daghang salamat Pastor sa imong programa. Nasayod ni nga inadako kayo ang mabulig dinhi sa amo ang community, labi na gyud sa mga kabataan namo diri ng mga IP. Daghang salamat gyud Pastor tungod kay sa imong dakong gugma wala nimo gikalimtan ang mga IP.
Sinabi niya sa isang quotation, when you read a book, you will know more things. And the more thing you will know, or you know, the more places you will go. Through the help of our beloved pastor, Pastor Apollo C. Quiboloy, the children were given hope to dream big and to aspire their dreams and to give them a brighter future.